Okay, so guys, now it's time for my favorite section. This is Ask TG. A part wherein I answer all your questions जो भी आपने पूछे हैं. Let's see the kind of questions we have this week because मजा बहुत ज़्यादा आता है when we share the knowledge together regarding all the gadgets. Let's see इस बार कौन से questions हैं. Quite interesting question. Well, let me tell you. Either you pick the OnePlus 13 or you pick iPhone 16. Doesn't matter because ये जो दोनों फोन्स आपने बोले हैं इन दोनों में आपको सब कुछ वो मिलेगा जो आपको चाहिए. फिर चाहे हम कैमरा बात करें, परफॉर्मेंस बात करें, ओवरऑल अगर हम बात करते हैं, बोथ द फोन्स आर रियली गुड. नाउ इट्स जस्ट फॉर यू टू डिसाइड कि आपको एंड्रॉयड फोन चाहिए या आईफोन चाहिए. अगर आपको एक आईफोन चाहिए, आईफोन 16 ले लीजिए. यू विल गेट एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू नीड. इफ यू prefer an Android, so OnePlus 13 will still give you everything that you need. You can pick either of these two phones and still be getting what you expect out of a smartphone. Okay, first things first, let me clear this once and for all कि आपको अक्सर ये सुनने मिलता होगा कि एक मैक कंप्यूटर पे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जैसे वर्ड, एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट ये सब पता नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा वगैरह वगैरह. Let me tell you, it works एकदम seamlessly without any issues. So all the applications from Microsoft जो आप Windows में यूज करते हैं वो आपको Mac में चलती हुई मिलती हैं without any problems. Now which laptop is better to buy? It depends on your particular use case scenario. अगर आपको games खेलना है for example, Windows has to be the one. If you want something sleek, maybe you are in this creative field जहाँ पे you want to edit videos या आपको अगर वैसा कुछ काम करना है, MacBooks they are really good. So again, across price brackets you have different options. Talk about high-end Windows laptops, they'll definitely cost lakhs and lakhs of rupees. The high-end MacBooks also cost lakhs of rupees. Starting में we have the MacBook Air lineup, starting में we have multiple Windows options. Depends on your workflow and your entire ecosystem. There are options from both the sides.
Hi Technical Guruji, how is the Realme P3 Pro?
Realme P3 Pro. All I can say is that the Pro is just in the name. I mean the phone is okay in terms of whatever the hardware is coming in, but sometimes when the brand label their products as Pro or Max or Ultra or something and then they do not provide the stuff that you expect out of a Pro smartphone, then it feels somewhere here. I think the Realme P3 Pro is a decent package, highlighted more towards the design, the glow in the dark thing and everything. But overall, I would say it's not as pro as it might sound. In terms of good dash cam, I think Cubo is very popular these days and I have seen many people using Cubo's dash cameras. So you can choose the model that you'd want to use. Maybe you want something with a full HD recording or a 4K recording, depending on your budget, depending on the lineup that's available. But I think Cubo's dash cams, especially in the Indian market right now, they are getting really popular.
हाई टेक्निकल गुरुजी, मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या iPhone 16 Pro Max का कलर ओवर द टाइम चिप ऑफ हो जाता है?
iPhone 16 Pro Max का पेंट चिप ऑफ होना, आई थिंक इफ यू चूज अ कलर other than the natural titanium, because natural titanium में कोई अलग से extra color आपको added नहीं मिलता है, तो there might be chances. I have seen few people talking about it as well, not even the Pro, otherwise in the normal iPhones as well, that yes there might be some wear and tear, but I mean that's pretty normal to expect that while you use the phone. हाँ, अगर आप एक case use करते हैं that covers the entire frame nice and clean, तो you should not be facing this issue. But yeah, otherwise with accidental bumps or maybe drops or just like casual usage, phone का chip off होना in terms of paint might be a thing.